Let's do an example on the EFB on calculating the flex value. We'll use the same more or less scenario that we had from before. I'm still using runway 08, dry conditions. I put in some winds right here. We have a temperature, very low, good performance, lower QNH, a takeoff weight, an actual takeoff weight of 68.1. And I want to know the optimum configuration for the flap setting with air conditioning on and anti-icing off. Going back into the same application that I used before, if you remember from before, we set in right here that we wanted to use maximum values. But what I will use now is instead, of course, I'll set in the winds. We're using the mean value, so 20 knots is 0.8, that's a 20 knot headwind. There was a restriction, we can only use 50% of the headwind, but the software here takes that into consideration. So put the actual wind in. 3 degrees temperature, weight is 68,100 kilograms. And here we selected toga before for maximum takeoff weight. We will now select flex to calculate the flexible weight for that actual weight. Anti-icing should be off as we don't have any visible moisture for icing. I'll hit compute, and from that I get the values right here, which gives me configuration 1 plus F and a flex value of 45. What this means is when I put into the MCDU right here that the flex temperature is 45, the aircraft performance, the engine performance, will be that as if it was 45 degrees outside. The 45 degrees outside means that the engines are of course going to produce less performance than if it's 3 degrees outside. But then again, I was well below the maximum takeoff performance limited takeoff weight. There are a few recommendations here that we pulled out from the FCOM, and that has to do with what flap settings to choose for the RTOW, the maximum takeoff weight, and for flap setting. You can find right here that on dry and paved runways, if two values come up to the same, for example, flex temperature come up to the same, we'll then use the higher flap setting. For comfort in high altitude operations, we should use config 2 or config 3. Also on badly paved runways, we use configuration 2 or 3 to give more or take more weight off the wheel, the landing gear, again for comfort. We can find all this in the FCOM.